Hey, this is Carly with Kanileʻa ʻUkulele. Over here I have a D-1 Tenor Pro. So D-1 is an all-new model for 2025, and this one in particular is a Pro Series. So Pro Series was introduced in our 2025 new framework. So with this one and all the other Pro Series models, we're going to have that side sound port, the low G string setup, the black tusk nut and saddle, and on the inside, true reduction. So yeah, this D1 tenor has a very striking piece of coil. I love all the different colors on this one. Nice variety, nice curl, and all that. Just overall a striking ukulele with all of the Pro Series features. So with that, let's hear how this one sounds.